letting go now. Let go. There you go. You just have to keep your leg on. Perfect. Perfect, Sarah. Well, hands wide. Way better correction. Take a circle forward. Start softening your hand now. Good ride. Keep those hands soft. Lovely ride, Sarah. Do your trot cannon change direction. One more cannon. Run, Bella, run.
Watch out, Bella.
Good, let go. Way better. There you go. That's fine rein length. A little more forward and canter. Perfect. Push. There you go. Press. Yep. Softener and go to the skinny again. Beautiful, Sarah. All right, and walk a second.
Yeah.
Good. Truster. Way better. Look. Look. Do your quick transition if you're worried about the lead. But no circles. Soften the hand again. Good. 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 Take your circle. Soften that hand again. And come to your skinny. Look. There you go. Keep looking. Good girl, Tilly. And up your outside line one more time. Off her to vertical. I want you to trust her down that line.
I'm right in your way, Janae.
Let go.
Sorry.
Good. Very good. All right, and let her walk.